Roy F. Baumeister, Willpower, Rediscovering Our Greatest Strength. Prepare to dive into the fascinating exploration of human willpower in Willpower, Rediscovering Our Greatest Strength, by Roy F. Baumeister. This book summary will guide you through the intriguing revelation that willpower, like muscle, can be both depleted and strengthened. You'll learn the ties between willpower, decision-making, and mental fatigue, and how, through positive changes in your behavior, you can improve your self-control. Discover the unexpected influence of sugar on willpower, the role of well-defined goals in achieving success, and the surprising strength that comes from external control. Finally, the summary culminates in challenging the idea that self-esteem leads to success and the role of willpower in weight loss.
Willpower depletion. We have a limited supply of willpower that is depleted after its frequent application. Our decision-making capacity and willpower reserve are interdependent, and both deplete with use. Imagine the depletion of willpower after working out at the gym. Similarly, every decision we make depletes our reserve of willpower, leading to decision fatigue. Psychologist Roy Baumeister's study showed how participants who forewent delicious cookies for radishes spent less time trying to complete puzzles, due to depleted willpower. Our willpower reserve is interconnected with our decision-making capacity. People in power tend to succumb easily to scandals, mostly due to ego depletion, which is caused by the exhaustion of making important decisions regularly. Mental fatigue also leads to poor decision-making, which is evident when people come home exhausted and bicker with their partner. The study posits that our willpower reserve is limited, and the more frequently we use it, the more quickly it gets depleted. Strengthen willpower with simple changes. Willpower can be strengthened by making positive changes in behavior, regardless of its initial strength and quality. This strength can aid self-control in other aspects of our lives. Following a simple plan of exercise can enhance willpower elsewhere, helping us stay focused in both lab settings and in real life. Our available willpower becomes less frequently exhausted when we exercise and strengthen our self-control, just like muscle. A posture improvement experiment proved the relationship between self-control and willpower. The posture improvement exercises developed their self-control and reduced mental fatigue. This easy change in posture ultimately led to improved performance on a hand grip test. This means that even minor changes such as saying yes and no instead of yeah and nope can go a long way in strengthening our willpower and helping us maintain self-control in other areas of our life. Sugar, the secret to willpower. Willpower isn't determined by indulgence but by the amount of sugar consumed. Psychologists' hypothesis that relaxation could boost willpower was debunked by the discovery that sugar is the key to self-control. Research showed that sugar boosts low blood sugar levels, which in the absence of sufficient sugar levels leads to difficulties in controlling emotions and focus. Brain scans confirmed that the parts of the brain responsible for self-control become less active, while emotional areas are busy. Therefore, low blood sugar levels impair self-control. Willpower and goal setting. The success of willpower in achieving goals entirely depends on the quality of those goals. Conflicting goals often lead to unhappiness and inaction, making it crucial to formulate clear but not overly specific goals. Monthly plans prove to be more effective and less demoralizing than detailed daily schedules. Willpower alone is not sufficient. Harmonious goals like sticking to a budget and quitting smoking save resources and increase willpower availability. The power of habits. Willpower is a limited resource that depletes with use. Instead of relying on willpower to achieve your goals, forming habits and avoiding temptation are effective alternatives. Anticipate and avoid temptation, make your goals public knowledge, and develop positive habits to conserve your willpower. Once a habit is established, it no longer requires willpower to maintain. By exercising willpower to form positive habits, you can prevent stress and anxiety in the long run. Power of external control. Developing willpower can be challenging, and belief in a higher power can play a significant role in self-control. Religious people tend to exhibit greater willpower than non-religious people due to external control factors. This implies that individuals are constantly monitored, which extends beyond religious groups. For example, recovering alcoholics tend to stay sober through their new community of recovered alcoholics. In essence, conforming to community norms and beliefs leads to changes in behavior, which can lead to better outcomes. External control is less about religion and more about being scrutinized. While developing willpower can be challenging, the use of external control through religion or community can play a pivotal role in self-control and ultimately lead to a better life. Self-esteem versus self-control. There's no clear evidence that boosting a child's self-esteem leads to better social or intellectual outcomes. Rather, self-control is a key indicator of success in life. While some strict parenting methods can be harmful, setting clear goals, enforcing rules, and punishing failures can help children develop self-control. Consistent punishments for misbehavior can help children learn to better control their conduct and ultimately become high achievers. Willpower alone won't cut it. Willpower is not the ultimate solution to losing weight. In fact, it's just one piece of the puzzle, as demonstrated by a study of overweight students with high self-control. Even celebrities like Oprah Winfrey have struggled with maintaining weight loss after diets. Biology plays a more significant role in our ability to lose weight than sheer willpower. Our bodies are wired to store fat as a survival mechanism during periods of scarcity, such as winter or famine. Furthermore, diets that restrict glucose intake can deplete our willpower, making it difficult to stick with them. While willpower is a powerful tool, it's not enough to overcome all obstacles in achieving our goals.
In this compelling summary of Willpower, Rediscovering Our Greatest Strength by Roy Baumeister, we've learned that willpower operates similarly to a muscle, becoming depleted through use but also capable of improvement through consistent exercise. Furthermore, we discovered the role sugar and well-defined goals play in maintaining and enhancing our willpower. We've also observed how external control and habits significantly impact our self-control practices. Our exploration of willpower's effects on child development and weight loss challenges conventional beliefs, revealing a more nuanced understanding of the power and limitations of this essential human attribute. This newfound knowledge will surely help you harness and optimize your willpower to achieve your personal goals and aspirations.